Right there. All right, it is Sunday, and I'm about to get going on my move to Utah. Coming from Cedar Rapids, I'm gonna be riding in Colorado, riding in Moab. So let's get it packed up, and then I'll see you on the road. Side of the trail update, my car is squealing very bad.
Trying to carry on. Pulled off in the evening, somewhere flat still.
I'm having intermittent voltage spikes. My battery lights keep coming on. Right there. And I don't know what's going on. And I just tried to apply some belt conditioner thinking that would, help the problem. No, don't do it. It's like gummy, and it's horrible, and now the squealing is horrible. I'll insert a clip now. So my plan is to get some carb cleaner, spray it down again. Hopefully I can make it to my first stop in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is the real world. We gotta keep pushing. We got things to do. We got places to see. Come on, let's go.
On a journey to Eagle Mountain, through the weather and the broken ground, through the warning lights and the doubts that found me. I kept my face turned west.
Update. It's now 9 o'clock. I was at that last gas station for approximately 1 hour. So I went into the gas station to get some degreaser, spray the pulleys and everything. Lo and behold, I started it up, no squealing. Everything was back to quote unquote normal, but it's not normal because I'm driving down the road, Omaha, Nebraska right now, and the battery light just came on again. So there it is again. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. That's the light of death right there. And I still got another 1,000 miles to drive. I'm staying in Lincoln, Nebraska tonight. Tomorrow, I'm driving to Georgetown, Colorado. Monday, I'm riding a motorcycle. Then I'll drive to Moab, Utah, and I'll be in Moab for 3 nights. I have hope and I have faith, and that's what I'm driving on tonight. All right, I made it to my first Airbnb. No issues on the road, so very good timing. It is almost 10 p.m. and tomorrow I gotta ride all the way to Jamestown, Colorado. All right, catch you tomorrow. All right, Airbnb stay 1 guest house in Lincoln, Nebraska. Mark that one off the list. I'm out here on this guy's land. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. And today I'm driving to Jamestown. So let's make this a great one.
One more road to cross, one more test behind me, till the highland said, come on!
Update again, I'm at O'Reilly's and getting my vehicle looked at. I did go into limp mode again, and my friend Paul over here at O'Reilly's is helping me diagnose the problem, which is most likely the problem. So hopefully it's the trailer and I can unplug it and be on my way. Keep you posted. Update. Unfortunately, I'm on the side of the road. The light goes on, the voltage spikes, limp mode puts me out of throttle. I'm gonna stop in Ogallala, Nebraska for the night. I'm gonna get an alternator from O'Reilly's today. I'm gonna call some shops and see if anybody can help me out. Instead of staying in beautiful Jamestown, Colorado, I will be staying in Ogallala, Nebraska for the night. Let's keep pushing. All right, here's the update. I'm at the Holiday Inn. We still got a long journey ahead. We got Colorado, we got Utah, we got Moab, we got all this stuff. So I just got to get back on the road. Catch you tomorrow.
And the dash lit up, and life said, boy, you better breathe.
Update. As you can see, the Sequoia is on the lift right now. We are doing a alternator swap. Hopefully this $800 job is going to do the fix to get me back on the road to Jamestown. So keep you posted. Stay tuned. All right, leaving the shop, $857 later. The Sequoia is back. It's back on the road. So we got a 130 amp alternator over here. We're gonna see if this thing is gonna keep up. Now, obviously we cannot run any kind of subs because we're used to running 320 amps, but we got 130 now. But we're just gonna keep on driving. Jamestown, here we come. Let's go.
Headed for the mountains, and I'm stuck on the side. Hazards flashing like a pulse, trying to keep me alive. Voltage climbs, brain alarms, and the whole thing goes numb. Right foot down, no response, like the power got cut from the drum. I-80, cold wind, Nebraska in my face. I don't need a fairy tale, I need a stable base. I was chasing just to Eagle Mountain, through the weather and the broken ground, through the warning lights and the doubts that found me. I kept my face turned west, on a journey to Eagle Mountain, pines to desert, storm to sun. One more road to cross, one more test behind me, till the highland said, come on!
Town. It's a beautiful place. Let's check out the cabin. So this is Airbnb. And I will be staying over here.
He wears the silence like a worked-in coat. Dust
So I made a new friend.
Cold.
Don't know what his name is, but he reminds me of Buddy.
Knows how to
Hey buddy,
carry
come here.
the long days get. Knows how to stand where other men.
Side of the road update. I'm in Netherlands. I forgot to put my GoPro on this morning. I've done about 50 miles so far. It's a beautiful day, except it's really cold outside and the sun's not coming out. I'm having a great time. Stay tuned on my journey to Utah. All right, I had to stop in Estes Park here at the restaurant. Very good restaurant. I'm tired.
I was always good at moving, at carrying weight, at crossing lines, at watching towns turn into shadows, and calling motion peace of mind. I knew engines, roads, and weather.
I'm out here in Dillon, Colorado, on my way to Moab, Utah. I had to make a stop. I always do.
I had plans like maps on fire, big enough to hide inside. I kept chasing distant meanings while my
Coming up on Breckenridge up here.
So keep faith with the road, but don't disappear in the miles. Keep faith with the mountains, but don't use their height to hide. Keep faith with the fire, but build a hearth around the flame. Meaning isn't thunder, brother, it's the life you choose to name. One honest day, one kept word, one scar that didn't steal your soul. Purpose is the quiet promise that you will not.
All right, update. I'm in Glenwood Springs and I just stopped at Frida, authentic Mexican food. Some pretty good Mexican food. Had their chicken enchiladas, highly recommend. Also got some tamales to go, so stay posted.
Pine trees, porch light glow, boots by the door and the coffee slow. Mountain air and a quiet sky, a life that fits, no need to hide. Not chasing noise, not chasing fame, not trying to outrun my name. I want a house where my soul can land in the steady strength of an honest man. No more running just to feel alive, no more burning through the night. I want a life that feels like truth.
All right, out
I
here,
wanna stand in something
in
right.
a certain section of Colorado,
Rooted
soon to be in
freedom.
Moab. Alrighty.
Heart struck in the silence. No need to
Let's
prove
go.
my worth. I want mountain mornings, a love that feels like homework, that means something, and peace when I'm alone. I want
Alright, it is now Thursday, and today I am in Moab, and it's riding day. Originally the plan was to ride dirt bike today, but it is a beautiful day and I had such a great time riding on the street bike in Colorado, so I'm gonna get that bad boy out and go for another street ride, this time in Moab.
Yeah. Built under pressure. Not born simple. Lay it up. Scar tissue, cold memory, ritual. Let's talk about it. I am not moved, not a phase, not a fit. Not the words in my mouth when I'm talking my shit. Not the role that I play, just to stay in the room. Not the mask for the pulse, not the walk, not the fumes. I'm continuity stretched through a war in the mind. I'm the pain that remembers and still says mine. I'm the body hold a score in the neck and the chest. I'm the habits that repeat when the soul gets pressed. I'm the story that I built from the cuts and the strain. Not just what happened, but the mean and the pain. I'm the value and action of the slogan. I claim what I do when it costs, not the badge of the name. Identity ain't some cute little brand. It's the force that decides how a man's gonna stand. Memory, posture, attachment, shame. Repeated behavior that hard as a frame. It's I protect when I'm back to the wall. What I call who I am when it's fear doing all. What I buried alive just to function and move. What I sharpen the armor, what I still gotta prove, yeah. Part blood, part burden. Part mass, part mission. Part wound, part worship. Part truth, part prison. So who are you? When the image gets stripped, when the roll falls off and the mask gets stripped, when the crowd ain't there and the room goes still, what survives in your chest that can't be killed? Who are you? When the pressure hits hard, was a scar, was a shield, was a lie, was a God, what was chosen, what was trained, what was built in rage, what in you was alive, what in you was a cage. A child learns early what the system pays, who gets love, who gets heat, who gets left for days, what gets praised, what gets mocked, what gets shut down fast, what kind of self gets to actually last. So one gets useful, one gets cold, one gets funny, one gets bold, one gets perfect, one gets numb, one keeps running so the grief don't come. That's why this is just me, can be dead ass wrong, could be old adaptation with a fresh new song, could be shame with a jawline, fear with pride, could be trauma where a language so it learns to hide, could be I'm intense when you keep the war, could be I need freedom cause closeness come before, could be I'm ambitious but beneath that claim you just can't stand the thought of an average name, could be I want truth but you really won't wait, a life that feels charged so it feels like fake, could be I'm a seeker but the search stays wide so you never sit still with the wound inside. That's the trick, that's the scam, that's the psychic death. A man starts calling it.
Alright, it is the last day of my journey. Today I'll make it back to Eagle Mountain, but not before riding a dirt bike because this is day 2 in Moab. I saw arches yesterday and today I'm going to see fins and things. It's called the trail. So I'm pretty excited. Today I have to go back to Eagle Mountain. Like I said, it's the last day of the trip. So I'm gonna go out with a bang. Stay tuned. Alright. This is Moab day 2. And today we are going to ride fins and things. Dirt bike.
Like night train steel, like river black, like wind through wire, no turning back. Soft and slow, soft and slow. That's the way the deep things go.
Here you can see vehicles driving up the sandstone, slick rock. Got a stock 4Runner right there. And we're just gonna keep on down the trail. And flash. Taking a little break out here. As you can see, it is Jeep Safari Day out here in Moab. They're gonna be riding.
There's a feeling before the sentence, there's emotion before the name. I say I know why I did it, but I only meet the flame. Under the hood, under the skin, there's more of me than I can fit in. More than the story, more than the light, more than the part of me that speaks at night. I am the question, I am the proof, I am the shadow behind the truth. Not just the voice that says I knew, but all the hands that pulled me through. The tension flickers like a blade, it cuts the dark and calls it whole. But all around the narrow beam, the rest of me is still in motion.
It's been a great week traveling from Cedar Rapids, Iowa through Nebraska, all of the troubles and tribulations that I faced there, into Colorado in the mountains and the cold, and then finally into Utah to beautiful rock formations. Now I come through the mountains and make my way to Eagle Mountain. So thanks for sticking along for the journey.
On a jet to Eagle Mountain, through the weather and the broken ground, through the warning lights and the doubts that found me. I kept my face turned west. Oh, on a journey.
Well, I made it to Eagle Mountain. I'm in my Airbnb. So I got some unpacking to do, but it's been a wild week. It's been a great week. And if you stuck around this long, thanks for sticking with me. Hope to see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.